Hi everyone, I'm Austin. I was recently interviewed by a well-known magazine and I was asked if I could advise any one-size-fits-all strategy. Having made more than 500,000 trades, I can tell you exactly what works and what doesn't. In this video, I will show you how you can increase your balance by 5 times using a combination of the most fundamental indicators. And to make trading your additional source of income, my closed channel will help you. In addition to daily signals and copy trading, you will find a unique video with strategies that I don't publish on YouTube. Our community is growing every day, and I am grateful for your great feedback that compels me to share all these secrets. Let's get into practice. In order for us to make some cool, confident trades today, we will need to create an account on TradingView.com. It is literally an indispensable assistant for a beginner trader. After registration, you click and open any chart on the full screen, and then add currency pairs that are on your platform. Today, we are going to trade on regular currency pairs without OTC markings. So let's say we have a chart on the euro dollar. To add it to the trading view here, we click on the plus. We must select the Forex section and write the name euro dollar. And from any supplier, we add this asset by clicking on the plus. This chart appears on the TradingView platform. Now let's add some cool indicators that are not available on the Pocket Options platform. Next step, we need to add a cool automatic indicator on this platform. We go to the top panel in the indicator section and write its name. We have a bunch of indicators. We remove the indicator from the list from the author Triform. He has 8,000 users with this name. Once we click on it, this indicator automatically draws support and resistance zones and gives signals. Here, for example, the last signal we had was to buy. Respectively, after this candle, we enter a trade on the rise and we look at 1, 2, 3 candles. And the signal would work out confidently. So let's test this indicator with you on this platform. So here we have a breakdown on the level. I don't see a signal yet, but here we can confidently go off on the currency pair in the euro dollar. I open one trade, half of my balance, so that if anything we have the opportunity to reinsure. Here we have already just overcome all horizontal level that we had. Moreover, we have tested the level which we have just broken through, and accordingly we can calmly really move higher, because here we have no level at all. So we are in fact just entering a trade on the uptrend. So we have the first trade, plus $43 on our balance. While we are thinking and trading, my robot has already sent me 2 signals and they all close in plus. Please note that the signal time is 15 minutes, which means that you will definitely have time to copy all your trades, make them on the platform and get identical results. By the way, this is the daily updated statistics of the robot. Let's say that today we have 22 plus signals. If you want to test this tool as well, follow the link from the description. So friends, we have a signal on this asset. Unfortunately, the upside is not very happy, but what to do? We open on the upside because here we also had a signal on the upside. What we see here, we have formed a level from which we may continue this upward movement. I at least hope so. Let's see how it all ends. Although, look, we have a trade closes confidently enough. A growing green candle appears, plus another signal appears. We probably won't enter here. We will look for another asset. But in general, we have made a good profit. On this chart, we are right now at the resistance level. We can see that a couple of candles ago, we had a down trade, which unfortunately did not work out. But logically, I think that right now, we can enter the same trade after the candle consolidates. It's going to happen in 5 seconds. So I'm ready to hit the down button and let's see how this all plays out. So I'm getting into a down trade here. Very quickly, we had a lightning reaction from the resistance zone. We got a signal here. We have a place to fall. Before that, the growth was quite aggressive, so the correction should be deep as well. Well, I have what I hope is my last trade open. It's going to close in 40 seconds. This trade was also opened on a down signal. I don't think I need to comment here. Let's just wait for this trade to close. 3, 2, 1, all right. We are getting the final trade. It closed beautifully. That's the story we have today. All the trades that I made using the strategy closed in the plus. Of course, it happens rarely, but 8 trades out of 10 on the strategy should close in the plus if you apply additional skills. We have increased our balance 5 times today. I think this is a very good result for such a short period of time. So if you want to trade the same way, don't forget to subscribe to my free Telegram channel. So there we will find tons of useful information for traders. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.